Good afternoon, everyone. And are you looking for a very low maintenance townhouse just on the edge of a village within Andalucia? Well, you've come to the right place. My name is Tim Whiteley from VillaSolutions. I'm just going to show you the entrance of this brand new listing. This is Adosado Cuesta dos, okay? And we've got a number of properties just literally listed with us exclusively now on this development. There's a number of bank repossessions essentially. But I want to show you, we've sold many over the years as well, but basically we've got a development of townhouses and apartments. Okay, the pool is literally just over behind that unit there. That's the changing rooms, and we're located below the national park. There is another unit. You can see our board there. That's a central unit, which is very interesting as well because it's got the view straight through the two blocks there. But the one we're going to see is number 2, and it's down at the end of this cul-de-sac basically, which is nice because you're on the same level as the pool. Okay, so you've got parking down below in the garage. They've all got their private garages. The pool is there. You'll see videos and photos of the pool, which is really nice, like a 14-meter rectangular pool. And so it's located just around the corner here. We've got some nice gardens. They're all communal gardens. Again, there is a number 5 going on the list as well, which we're just about to take on. But this is it. So basically what you've got here is a very nice, secure kind of end of the street property. We are talking about number 2 here. And you walk in onto your main living level. Okay, so they're all very similar, but they do have slight differences, advantages, disadvantages, okay, which we will highlight in the videos. So they've all got the small little cloakroom, which is very handy. The granite staircase that goes over the 3 levels. In here, there is a kitchen, which is, I think it has been used very, very briefly, but to be honest, you know, it's all up to scratch. You could upgrade it. You could upgrade the tops, the work surface, perhaps. It's on gas, hot water at the moment. Extractor is in, hob and oven, and there's also a fridge freezer. Okay, so with a lot of them, they don't really have kitchens at all. Okay, so here we've got obviously our main living area. Really nice, really light, really bright, and the advantage of this row is essentially this view, okay, because that view is not going to change. We're talking, that's the municipal kind of sports area. There's a brand new gym, that white unit's there. You got the municipal pool, which is a 22-meter pool. It's all, you know, it's really geared up really for the sports, for the locals. And obviously you've got mountain views. You've got fantastic sunsets from here as well, facing west. But you've also got a covered terrace, which is very useful. Some people have enclosed them. Then you've got part open terrace. That goes up to the main bedroom upstairs, which we're going to see now. But basically, you know, we're talking a low maintenance unit, which is, I think, one of the key points. The EB council tax here is very, very low. Comes under Alcaucin Village. You are literally a 2-minute walk into the village in that direction or that direction there, which is really handy. So all your amenities are on the doorstep. And obviously you've got the garage, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, cloakroom, terraces. It ticks lots of boxes. Okay, so when you're comparing this to something down in Málaga or even Torre de Mar, honestly, you're looking at double the price minimum. And you've got the national park on the doorstep, literally. So this is the main master bedroom, where you've got your own private terrace out there. You also have your private ensuite toilet, bathroom, bidet and sink, shower screens in, bidet with the sink as well. Again, I mean, the quality, they're a good standard of build. Does need a little bit of work out here on the rendering, but again, it's all going to be reflected in the price. And if you look at the position of this, you look at the size of build, again, there's loads of nice features in the roof lines here, and that roof there as well. Okay, that's looking down onto that terrace where we've just been. the views, kind of feature porthole windows. And again, being frontline, this is where the value is in the property. And all one level for living and also the communal pool. Okay, so let's go down to the other 2 bedrooms. You've seen one. So there are obviously stairs involved, internal staircase. There's marble all the way through. Sorry, so here, I'm afraid I don't have any electric at the moment, but yeah, essentially we've got a general shower room and toilet with sink and bidet. You'll see on the photos. Through here is bedroom number 2, which actually has a really good size balcony there. You've got space there for putting wardrobes if you want to fit them. But again, here is where you've got a nice balcony, taking those views. And again, you've got double glazed windows throughout with the lattice. The floor tiles haven't really dated that badly, you know, they are kind of still typical Andalusian. You've got storage under there, and then down here is where the garage is. You'll be able to see the garage on our photos, okay? So again, this is the final bedroom, plenty of light, rectangular room with patio doors and just the Juliet balcony, and plenty of light and space to put in, you know, your beds and your furniture. Okay guys, so this is Adosado Cuesta dos, number 2. If you are interested and you want further details, please contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed via our website villasolutions.net. Thank you.